Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching TLV Academy. Today's topic is reality check. We are asking a question that might make a few companies a little uncomfortable. Are you ISO certified or just acting like it? In today's corporate world, compliance is a buzzword. Almost every organization proudly claims we are ISO certified, we are fully compliant. On the surface, everything looks perfect. Policies printed in glossy manuals, documents neatly arranged in files, auditors leaving smiling. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Sometimes it is all just cosmetic compliance. Cosmetic compliance is like putting makeup on a crack in the wall. Looks fine for a while, but the problem is still there. We have all seen it. Training records magically updated a week before the audit. Procedures written but never followed in daily work. Issues quietly hidden instead of solved. And then, the moment the auditor leaves, everything slides back to business as usual. Fake compliance can pass this year's audit, but it creates big risk. Legal trouble, fines, lawsuits, or loss of license. Reputation damage. One incident can erase years of trust. Operational chaos. More errors, more accidents. Loss of certification. Your ISO badge could be gone overnight. So what does real compliance look like? It means employees understand the procedures, not just sign them. Records are kept in real time, not last minute. Internal audits are real health checks, not tick box scales. Non-conformities are treated as opportunities, not problems to hide. For example, if your ISO 9001 procedure says customer complaints must be closed in 7 days, real compliance means it actually happens every single time. Let's fix the gap. Here is how to move from acting certified to living compliance. Step 1. Build awareness. Teach people the way, not just the what. Step 2. Integrate into daily work. Compliance should be normal, not a special project before audits. Step 3. Monitor regularly. Internal audits, spot checks, feedback loops. Keep the system alive. Step 4. Encourage openness. Make it safe for people to speak up about issues. Step 5. Lead by example. When management is serious, the team will follow. ISO certification is not a trophy for the wall. It is a commitment to quality, safety, and trust. So ask yourself, are you living your ISO standards every day or just acting for the auditor once a year? Because fake compliance might pass an audit, but it will never protect your business. This was TNV Academy. I am Akanksha Mishra and I will see you in the next session where we turn compliance from a burden into your company's biggest strength.